Alright, it looks like it's finally time to make the Jeep naked. Let's remove the doors and the rear window. So I got my toolbox from Amazon. I'm gonna put a link underneath the video so I can get that. That's, I think it was around $20. So I got ratchet and all of needed bits. Alright, let's do it. Alright, so this panel comes off. Now I got this red tab. You have to lift this one up. Okay, so door is disconnected, and now we just have to remove this bolt right here and 2 bolts on the hinges right here. One more on top. I think it's first time for the Jeep. I don't think they were ever removed. And it has 100,000 miles on it. Okay, so I got all 3 screws. I'll lift it up.
Aka, mother, oopsie, oh, kijk, kijk eens. O, ty widzisz tylko gdzieś. Okej, teraz jesteśmy.
Now let's do the back. It should be similar to the front. Let's remove this plastic, the strap, and wiring. Alright, pretty straightforward. Okay. Now also we have to remove the bolts right here. Wow. I got second door. This one's pretty easy. Just 2 latches on the back. Alright, and we got naked Jeep. Just like that, in 5 minutes.
To ja będziemy ci patka sikała. Kaka ci. Dobrze, postawiłam.
Tutaj się. Czekaj. That's a one sky roof on the Jeep, so we're not gonna be able to remove the top real easily. So the top stays on, but it's open. Once we got the doors off, we need the mirrors, and it happens, I guess, Amazon special. And like always, I'm gonna put a link under the video. There's a rubber piece right here, so it's gonna save the paint on the hinges. Alright, that's how it looks. Not the best look, but it's gonna do the job. Alright, now let's do the second side. Alright, so I got all the mirrors on. That looks okay, nothing fancy, but it's gonna do the job. I think they were like around 20 bucks on Amazon. And the Jeep looks much better. Actually proper. Alright, now the only thing left, we'll have to take a first spin. It looks pretty cool, even with the frame of the roof on. Not too bad.